What an amazing influence we've had on Australian society. It's no coincidence that the most sustained growth in Australia's history corresponds with the use of bituminous flexible pavements, building a path to the future. Just look where we've come from. In the mid-19th century, horse-drawn coaches, coastal shipping and later railways were the primary modes of transport. Roads were very rudimentary, even in major settlements. From the early 20th century, particularly as motor vehicles became more common, there was a growing demand for better quality, formed and sealed all-weather roads. Up to World War II, roads were sealed with coal gas tar, mined bitumen from Central America and simple emulsions. From the 1950s, as the road network expanded and the density and speed of traffic increased, it was bitumen from local refineries that met this new demand. In more recent times, innovative use of asphalt, polymer-modified binders and other technologies have greatly enhanced the durability and longevity of flexible pavements. We have helped and enabled industries. Agricultural expansion was a key impetus to road development. Many of the first gazetted roads in Australia were railhead extensions. In the first half of the 20th century, it was the need to provide better links with rural settlements, the establishment of soldier settlements and schemes, such as the National Beef Road Scheme, which drove further road network development. Many of these roads have since been upgraded from single lane to major sealed highways, fostering communities and industry across Australia. The mining industry played a critical role in the early economic development of Australia and continues to do so today. Like agriculture, population growth in mining centres and the need to transport materials has driven the demand for new and better roads. Moving fuel, parts, personnel and equipment, sealed roads have been critical to linking remote mine sites and the communities that support them to the larger coastal cities. Tourism, one of Australia's important industries, has been a key driver and beneficiary of asphalt pavements. Social changes, the introduction of shorter working hours and more affordable, reliable private vehicles has enabled Australians to travel greater distances for leisure and recreation. The growth in paved highways and airports underpinned the rapid growth of tourism centres such as the Gold Coast in Queensland, the Great Ocean Road in Victoria, and previously remote places such as Broome in Western Australia and Alice Springs in the Northern Territory. Modern societies depend on roads to transport goods and services quickly and efficiently. Communities depend on high quality, safe roads. Today, flexible pavements are more than ever the foundation of society, providing high quality, safe surfaces that can be readily maintained with low environmental footprint. Flexible pavements are our nation's largest and most important public asset. In 2009, the Australian Asphalt Pavement Association celebrated 40 years of supporting the development of Australia's roads. Roads which have made a real and sustainable difference to people's lives. Over that time, AAPA has maintained strong links between its members, the asphalt producers, government agencies, bitumen suppliers and many other contributors to flexible pavements. This relationship will continue, supporting a strong, viable and innovative road surfacing industry, improving the road network for everyone. AAPA looks back with pride, but more importantly, also looks to the future. With new technologies, our industry will continue to develop even better roads, addressing increasing mass limits of heavy vehicles, higher traffic flows, lower greenhouse emissions, and the ability of materials to be recycled. As the demand for better roads continues to grow, there will also be increased demand for skilled employment and industry growth. AAPA is proud to be part of this key industry, a key part of Australia's future.